Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Doctor's World. Our topic of discussion for today is sedative hypnotics. First, we will classify these sedative hypnotics. Sedative hypnotics are classified into benzodiazepines, barbiturates, and miscellaneous agents. Benzodiazepines are further subclassified into short-acting, that is triazolam and midazolam, intermediate acting alprazolam, and long acting florazepam. Barbiturates are also subclassified into ultra short acting thiopental, short acting secobarbital, and long acting phenobarbital. Miscellaneous agents are buspirone, that is a partial agonist at 5-HT receptors as well as at D2 receptors. Azopiclone, ziliplam, and zolpidem that bind with the GABA A receptors at the same site as that for benzodiazepines. There is a drug remiltian, and another drug like this is tasimeltian. These are melatonin, MT1 and MT2 receptor agonists. These help in promoting the sleep by decreasing the threshold for sleep. This is all about the classification of sedative hypnotics. Now we will discuss the mechanism of action of all these classes. As we have discussed the classification of the sedative hypnotics, now we will discuss the benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines is a class belonging to sedative hypnotics. The examples of benzodiazepines are alprazolam, diazepam, and midazolam, florazepam, and triazolam, etc. Mechanism of action. Benzodiazepines act on the GABA A receptors in the brain. These receptors are present in many parts of brain, for example in thalamus, etc. The major isoform of GABA A receptors is containing 2 alpha 1, 2 beta 2, and 1 gamma 2 subunits. The benzodiazepines bind in between this alpha 1 and gamma 2 subunit and increase the frequency of opening of chloride ion channels, that is mediated by GABA. This is all about the mechanism of action of benzodiazepines. Uses. Benzodiazepines are used in the treatment of acute anxiety states, panic attacks, generalized anxiety disorders. To treat insomnia, we mostly use alprazolam. To treat or to cause skeletal muscle relaxation, we use mostly diazepam, and to treat seizures, we use florazepam. Furthermore, diazepam is also used to treat the withdrawal symptoms from alcohol when alcohol intake is abruptly withdrawn. The adverse effects of benzodiazepines are sedation, tolerance, dependence, CVS, respiratory, and CNS depression. It was also used in the day trap because these drugs have the property to cause anterograde amnesia. This is all about the benzodiazepines, mechanism of action, uses, and adverse effects. Now we will discuss the barbiturates. Examples of barbiturates are amobarbital, butabarbital, phenobarbital, secobarbital, and thiopental. Thiopental is the ultra short acting barbiturate. Mechanism of action. The barbiturates bind with the GABA A receptors, this is the B that refers to the binding site of the barbiturates with the GABA A receptor. These drugs when bind with the GABA A receptors in the brain, then these increase the duration of action of opening of chloride ion channels that is mediated by GABA. Hyperpolarization of the neurons occurs. These drugs are used to induce anesthesia. Thiopental is used. These are also used to treat the panic attacks. To treat insomnia, secobarbital is used for this purpose. To cause skeletal muscle relaxation and are used in the seizure disorders. Phenobarbital is mainly used in the treatment of seizures. The adverse effects of these drugs are similar quietly to that of the benzodiazepines. These include sedation, tolerance, dependence, acute permittent porphyria, CVS respiratory and CNS depression with the barbiturates is greater as compared to benzodiazepines. Furthermore, these drugs displace the coumarin anticoagulants from their protein-bound form, and therefore their levels in the plasma are increased and their anticoagulant effects are increased. This is all about the barbiturates. Now we will discuss the zolpidem, zaleplon and azopiclon. Mechanism of action. The mechanism of action of zolpidem, zaleplon and azopiclon is that these drugs bind with the GABA A receptors in the brain at the site where the benzodiazepines bind, that is in between this alpha 1 subunit and gamma 2 subunit. These drugs facilitate the chloride ion channel opening, that is GABA mediated, and lead to hyperpolarization. These drugs are used to treat insomnia, especially when sleep onset is delayed. The adverse effects of these drugs are rare as compared to that of benzodiazepines and barbiturates, but dependence, CNS depression and sedation are observed. This is all about the mechanism of action, uses and adverse effects of zolpidem, zaleplon and azopiclon. Thank you for watching.